Are you stuck with a Facebook name you no longer want? Perhaps you just made a silly mistake when you created your profile. Or maybe you're going through a big life change like getting married. Whatever the reason, ULL. Be happy to know that you can actually change your Facebook name even after the 60-day limit. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how you can do this. First off, we need to talk about why Facebook has this rule in the first place. They don't want people to change their names too often because it could get confusing or be used for bad purposes like scams. But there are good reasons why you might need to change your name sooner rather than later. Like fixing a typo, switching to your real name, or something else. So, here's what you can do. Step 1. Log into your account on either the app or a web browser and go to Settings and Privacy. From there, select Settings. Then tap on Personal and Account Information. Under the Name section, you'll see your current name. Normally, if you're past the 60-day window, Facebook won't allow changes. However, here's the trick. If you have a good reason, you can ask them to review your case manually. Facebook allows name change appeals if you can provide identification such as a government-issued ID to verify your real name. To do this, scroll down to the Help Center and search for Name Change Request. Click on the search results and then tap Submit a Request. Here, you'll need to upload your ID and explain why you need to change your name. Some common reasons are getting married, legally changing your name, or correcting an error. Be honest and clear in your request. Once you submit it, Facebook will review it manually. This process can take a few hours to a few days, depending on how busy they are. If they approve it, your new name will show up right away, and the 60-day restriction will no longer apply. Before you change your name, make sure the name you want is also your legal name. If it's not, Facebook won't approve it. Also, don't add symbols, unusual capitalization, or fake names because they won't work. Finally, keep your account secure. Enable two-factor authentication and check your privacy settings so your account stays protected. And that's it. You successfully changed your Facebook name even if it was past the 60-day limit. Now, you can fix that typo, switch to your real name, or update your name after a big life event. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video helped you. Subscribe for more tech tips and share it with friends who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.